Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, we have another unboxing. So super excited. I am excited for the item, but I'm not sure about the condition. So anyway, if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Come join the family. We have so much fun here. We talk about everything from contemporary all the way to luxury bags, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuing support. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys. So as I stated, I do have another unboxing. This items, I did pick it up. No, not this items. This bag, I actually picked it up from Rebag. So without any further ado, let's get into opening this box. Okay. Hopefully the condition is good because on the photo, while I'm opening this, on the photo, it really wasn't that clear how the condition was, but I am super excited. Okay, so as you guys can see, take a guess. See if you guys can take a guess on what this item is. So let me take it off the box and let me get the box out the way. You probably already guessed based on what it is. So let's get the box out the way and let's get this bubble wrap out. So as you guys can see, they did two different bubble wrap and then they wrapped it in this little cloth right here. So can you guys guess what bag from what brand I picked up? Take a guess and let me know. But anyway, 3, 2, 1. Guys, see the Rebag. Ah, so excited. Oh. Yes, guys, you see? Yes, it is a Chanel. As you guys can see by the dust bag. Okay. Oh my God, it's the older one with the Chanel drawing by Karl Lagerfeld. Oh my God, this is so pretty. All right, so let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. So let's see. As you guys can see, so this is a Chanel classic flap in the lambskin. I was really concerned about the side because, like, as you can see, so there's a little robin right here because this part of the stuff wasn't really showing, so I wasn't really sure what that looked like. And then you have a little robin over here as well. Let me put it on here. Okay, and let's see. You have some little, let's see. So you do have like some rubbing. Let me see if I can focus. You do have a little rubbing over here. So this is in the lambskin in the size medium with the silver hardware. Let's open it up. Okay. So as you guys can see right there, it does have a little bit of scratch and stuff. And then it looked like an indentation from obviously the button and then the chain. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see the inside. So as you guys can see, it has kind of like a little scuff mark right here. So that's why I was like, it was such a good deal. I couldn't really pass it up, but I wasn't sure if, well, I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it. So because the price was so good, I ended up getting this. So it was listed for 4,900 on the Rebag website. And then there was a, I think, was it a 15% sale that Rebag just had? So it was extra 15% off this item. So you did, as you can see right here, let's check the inside pocket. So, okay, so you got the inside right here. It has just a little scuff mark on here and stuff like that. You have the beautiful, sorry, let me show you guys inside. As you can see the inside. You do have like the beautiful red right there. Because I really don't have a red in luxury in my luxury bag collection. So I wanted to add something that was red. And then this, because of the price, it was so amazing. I was like, you know what, let me pick it up. Let me come see it myself and see what it looked like. And if I wasn't going to keep it, I'll probably return it. But let's see. So you got the inside right here, as you guys can see. All right. And then let's turn to the back. So as you guys can see the back right here. Okay, and then the sides still look like it has its shape. Over here look like it's a little bit loose, but let me see. Not really loose, but almost losing its shape right here, because you see how this one go in. Over here it's like kind of like now let me put it this way and let's see. So this kind of looked like it was like up, but not really crazy up, because sometimes I think I was watching there was another YouTuber that I was watching, and she was explaining how this wear can happen, and also how wear can happen up here based on how it's stored and also how it's carried. So there's like a little watermark right here, which is really not that significant. You do have the back right here again. It is with the silver hardware. It does come with the Rebag right here. There are tags, endless luxury. Now let's open it up again. Okay, so you do have, let me see if I have the, sorry guys, I'm just trying to see if I can see the Chanel. Okay, so you do have the barcode all the way on the end. This one did not come with a authentic with the card, with the card that Chanel give. So this one did not come with it, as you can see right there. And I'm surprised that I didn't have one from Rebag, because they always usually put it in. So this is a little bit of a surprise that it's not here and I don't see it anywhere. So I've got to definitely look into it and see the card that Rebag gives, because it's not in here, which basically showed that they did an authentication on the bag, but that's not here. Let's see if this is, because they usually give like a little card and I don't see that here. So I definitely want to reach out, because every bag that I've bought from Rebag has actually had that card, but this one I don't see the card anywhere. See if they put it, they didn't put in any pocket. Nope, so it's not anywhere in here. So I definitely I'm going to reach out to Rebag and see why this one did not include their little card, which, as you guys know, with the classic flap. So this one is the classic flap Chanel in the medium size, in red with silver hardware. Honestly, guys, I'm kind of really on the fence about this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not keep it. You guys leave it in the comment below. What do you guys think I should do? Should I keep it? Should I not keep it? I mean, for it was for a great price, as we guys already know about the whole Chanel price increase, which I'm not going to do a video on there, because there's so much YouTubers that have already completed a video on the ridiculous price point that Chanel bags are now. So I'm not really going to do a video on there. You can check out all of those videos. But because of the crazy price act, I mean, when I saw this at this price, I was super excited to pick it up. But I'm not sure if I'm really going to keep it. I mean, it does have little corner wear, but I mean, I think these are stuff that you can fix. I can send this to letter surgeon for them to actually fix it. So you do have little rubbing right here. Let's see, you have rubbing on the back, as you guys can see right there. So there's little rubbing right there, and then you have like rubbing. So on the edges, there's like rubbing on the edges, as you guys can see. But like you see, this is in the lambskin. I mean, it's beautiful. It do look like it kind of have like a little bit of a color transfer. I'm not sure if you guys are picking it up here. So I think those are stuff that leading surgeon can actually take care of. Yeah, it does have like a little color transfer, because you can kind of see like the blue on here. So it does have color transfer on here. I mean, so like I stated, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, but I was super excited. I was like, you know what, let me order it and bring it home. Let me see if I actually like it. If it is what I'm looking for. I mean, the color is just so simply beautiful. That one I definitely cannot lie, but I'm kind of having a conflict feeling if I do want to keep it or if I want to return it. So guys, please comment below and let me know, should I keep it or should I return it? I do have, I think like, I'm a diamond or something for Rebag, so I have like 15 days to return it again. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this. I'm probably going to also reach out to my auntie so she can see it and let her give me advice if I should keep it or if I should return it. But this color, guys, it is simply beautiful. I definitely cannot lie about that. It is beautiful. It is a really beautiful color. But Like I stated, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it, and I'm not sure exactly why Rebag did not include their authenticate certificate on here, which is really weird, but we'll see about that. Anyway, guys, there you go. This is the new beauty that I just picked up from Rebag, as you guys can see. There you go. And this, oh my God, yes. Yes, guys, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. It is really, really, really beautiful. Anyway, guys, so that's the unboxing for today with this beautiful classic flap in the size medium in the lambskin. I just think it's so, so stinking beautiful, but I'm still kind of on the fence if I'm going to keep it or if I'm not going to keep it. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.